Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. We're going to get into something fun today. How to get Sims 4 tray files on your Mac. You've come to the perfect spot if you want to add some incredible Sims and builds to your game. Let's begin. In order to download this sim or build, you should open your online browser and look for a sim or build. I will be utilizing Pinterest to find one. After you find something you want to download it. Now you want to open the file. To unzip the file, click the circle with the three dots and then click Open. To add these files, navigate to Documents, Electronic Arts, and the tray folder. You want to return to the downloaded file and drag the files that include a 0 into the tray folder. After that, open the mods folder and drag the files into the mods folder. Now you want to launch your game. Load your household or create a new one and navigate to Cast. Once you're in Cast, you want to open up your gallery. Click My Library and then click Include Custom Content. Next, you want to locate the downloaded sim and click on it. And download it. At this point, the downloaded sim should show up. That's it. You successfully set up your Sims 4 tray files on a Mac. Please remember to subscribe for more Sims content and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Bye.